How to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, first and foremost, you can verify the Roblox player files. Now, if the file is corrupted, there might be issues such as the screen not loading up. In that case, right click on it and tap on Open File Location. Over here, you can go ahead and navigate to Roblox Player Installer and make sure that you install it properly before. Make sure to uninstall the existing Roblox beforehand. For that, at the bottom in the toolbar, you will see the search icon. Search for Uninstall or Remove Program. Then click on it. You will find a list of applications that is installed in your device. Search for Roblox. Then at the side you will see this three dot. Then click on the uninstall button. After that, follow the previous step to install it properly. Now also check for the Wi-Fi connection. When your Wi-Fi is acting up, you will find similar problem. Now next step, if you are not using an application but you are using a browser, go ahead and open up that preferred browser. Click on the three dot and tap on Delete Browsing Data. After that, click on Delete Data. Don't worry, it will not delete any of the sensitive information. It will just delete some of the cookies and cache. After that, if you launch a Roblox, you will see that the issue has been solved. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.